Okay, we're working through the ECDL Extra Level 2, the Word module, and we're up to Lesson 9, Get the Right Job. In this lesson, we're going to test whether you can remember how to mail merge. If you have not yet looked through the last lesson, Word Lesson 8, I would suggest you go back and do it first. By the end of the lesson, you will have printed out correctly merged letters. So let's head to the associated website and select the Word lessons and then head for Lesson 9, Get the Right Job. Download the instructions and form which will appear on the same Word document, and also download the database Jobs Practice. If you have any problems accessing this file, it should look like this. If necessary, you can create a similar version in Access. If that's the case, then pause this video and create a database with the correct fields set up and enter some appropriate data. Okay, so at this point we can follow the instructions. Read the top half of the instruction sheet and we'll now prepare the mail merge and add the relevant mail merge fields to the form at the bottom of the instruction sheet. Okay, so let's set up the mail merge. Go for the Mailings tab across the top and then Start Mail Merge and select Letters. Next, let's link the database to the Word document. So click on Select Recipients, use an existing list, and then navigate to the Jobs Practice database. Now that we've linked the database to the Word document, we want to insert the various merge fields into the form at the bottom of the instruction sheet. So select just after the word name, then insert merge field, and select name. Repeat this for salary, telephone number, location, and type. Let's tidy this up by lining up the merge fields. Tab, tab. Now also we don't need the instructions above the form, so let's delete these instructions. Now that we've entered the merge fields and tidied up the letter, let's click on Preview Results to check we're happy with the form that we've created. Okay, it looks good. Now let's finish and merge. Select Print Documents. From the Merge to Printer dialog box, select All Records and then press OK. Next, select the XPS document writer and then click OK. Specify the file name for the output as Get the Right Job, Completed Mail Merge. And then press Save. Once the mail merge has been completed, the resulting file can be printed when required. And it should look like this. So altogether we've got 43 pages, one for each of the records in the database. Okay, so this was a little further practice in creating mail merges. I hope you've enjoyed it. Next time we're going to learn how to create and format tables in Word and we'll also introduce inserting document fields which update automatically. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.